Bert's Garden!
Hi, I'm Bert at Bert's Garden. Today we're going to talk about propagating forsythia. It's fairly easy. Here's an old shrub that's been growing, and the branches have gone down to the ground and they've rooted in. So I look around and I can see some pieces. I can just dig that piece. This would be called dividing your plant. And here I have a new plant that I can plant out. It'll grow just like the one that I have in front of me. You can see it has branches already, and there's some roots on the bottom coming out. So that's your new plant. So another way you can propagate forsythia is to take one of the weeping branches where it's close to the ground, make a little slit in the soil. Oops, dug in the wrong place. Put the branch in there, put a brick on it, put the soil around it, and wait till next spring and you'll have a new plant right there. You can come back and cut the branch, dig up the little plant that's rooted, and plant it out. You have a second forsythia plant. Propagate forsythia is to take a long straight stem, cut it off, a stem you'll put in a vase, maybe gather 2 or 3 or 5, however many you want to propagate. They may not all root, but you take them, strip the bottom half of the foliage off, put these in a vase in the inside, and wait for them to root. You have 3 new plants. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Bert's Garden here. Watch another video over here. That's all for today, you guys. Keep on gardening.